Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And my last video, whoa, that was terrible. I hear the sound, and when I look at again at after publishing, there was no sound. There was a problem, so I continued to do all presentations. So let's get started. So today we are going to go a little bit Windows stuff. So today we are going to talk about. Can you read on the screen? Can you read on the screen? It says, yeah, you are right. It says Blue Screen of Death by me. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. So let's see what is it. What is blue screen error? Here you can see BSOD. It's actually real. That means it's blue. That means blue screen of death. Why did I say blue screen error? Okay, so it's a screen that says there's a problem. The main problem because there's critical process, and here you can see I got this image and hit see here. Here you can see stop code. You cannot see it clearly. It says I think it's a driver or I think something broke on the computer. No matters. Okay, so that's what is it. So which operating system can I see it? And yes, it's the Windows operating system. It's Windows operating system, one of my favorite operating systems in history. Let's erase this and let's get going to the next one. So what are the causes? Let's discuss it. This is going to be a long one. Because of a critical process end. Here the same thing, a critical process end. What is a critical process? Well, I'll draw it here. This is your Windows computer. This is your just Windows computer, and there are processes running. I put dots, lines, processes going everywhere. Imagine this one which I put a dot, which I circle right now, is a really important one, and there is a command called task kill, which is actually in the command line PowerShell or command, and then you type in the process PID. I'll talk in another video which I didn't make yet, and from there it just deletes it. It deletes it terminated. It actually just terminated that process, and that process is no longer there. So will erase task kill. We don't know that. I don't know how to kill. Okay, so when that happens, it's a really critical one. That means it is a system one. So it's a really important process. If you kill it, your computer will be destroyed. So the next one we are going to talk about is called virus. Now, viruses are computer virus or virus in this video. Viruses are actually real dangerous. They could harm your computer. So do you know which should I like? I like the most idiot virus. Oh, you're an idiot. You're an idiot. I don't know who is the creator of this, but this Windows going all over the TPP, like right here going there, right here going there, blah blah. It's just a catastrophe. I'll erase all. Okay, so it's just a catastrophe, and on older versions it will say the same thing, but it says not need. It says read new restart, but we are just collecting some error info that is not there. It will say like this. I'll write it here. Blah 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 is not even a problem, and it will say ran into a process. Yes, process, not problem. Process. I hate when I'm writing. Process that it could handle. I don't know. I hate writing in pen. Okay, so that's what are the causes. Yes, one more. Computer using my two resources. Like remember I said critical process on some things. The computer might be like really old one and need much more, resources for other applications. So one application could be using really strong like 1 million CPU on, I don't know, it's super consuming all the system's resources, which is really bad. So that also come blue screen error. Okay, and many more. Let me get an example. Okay, I don't have any example, and let's go to the next slide. So it says, what can I see when I go to the BSOD or blue screen of death? So I used a highlighter this time. It will show this part. It will say, your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. We are collecting some error info and then we'll restart for you. And then it will say 10%. Then after a few minutes it will say 100%. And after that, well, it's done. So what can I see into the BSOD? And I didn't mention this, but how can I, like, let's go to the last slide. It says, what are the causes? Remember I said what are the causes. So because of critical process end, a virus and computer too much using resources. But it's, how can I go? Well, you have to actually delete. I told you, you have to use thing called task kill. Task, I don't know, I'm not writing it. Task kill, and then if you are allowed by administrative privileges, you will actually delete that critical or very important process, and then you can come to this screen, which is the blue screen of death. And finally, on my videos, I have a sponsor. Today's sponsor is sponsored by, it's actually a channel, not a website or anything. Actually, they didn't sponsor me, but I really like them. And if you are really interested in IT, you must go to their, actually there's two sponsors. You must go to their channels. So number one, I'm giving a really good shout out to Network Chuck. If you are listening Network Chuck, you have great videos that will educate everyone, and I'm watching. And yes, I have Network Chuck account, and I'm really excited to come to your academy. And then the second sponsor of the video is Taijo, and I'll also on the first sponsor Network Chuck. He also has a website. I'll put the description in below. This is my video. I'll put this as like that, and then the links and everything will be here, the YouTube link and much more. And then Taijo's link. And Taijo is little bit low level, not much as advanced as Network Chuck's. Network Chuck as a server, I really like him, but I mostly watch Taijo's because it's calm. And let's get it. So I'll put it in the description. And Taijo also has made, like, it has made wallpapers. So enough of the things, and let's get going. I'll erase all the ink to make it tidy. Let's go next. Blah blah blah. And this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. I'll also put every link in the description. Thank you. So this here. So it says here, your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. We are collecting some error info and they'll restart for you. 0% until 100%, blah blah blah. Okay, so thank you for watching for my YouTube channel video. I hope you love this. I hope you love this video and thank you for watching. End of the slideshow. Click to exit. Thank you so much.